Welcome to this technical guide on the HP 15 SFQ 5045NS. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The issue with your HP 15 SFQ 5045NS, where it only operates when plugged in, is commonly caused by a failing battery or an issue with the power supply. If left unaddressed, you may find your device becoming completely inoperable, leaving you without access to your important files and applications. It's crucial to tackle this problem sooner rather than later. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and a replacement battery compatible with the HP 15 SFQ 5045NS. Make sure you have a clean, static-free workspace to avoid damaging sensitive components. To begin, start by ensuring your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws from the back panel of the laptop. Be careful not to strip the screws, applying firm but gentle pressure while turning. Once the screws are out, use the plastic opening tool to gently pry open the back panel. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the clips holding the panel in place. With the back panel removed, locate the battery. It's typically situated in the lower half of the device. You'll see connectors and screws securing it in place. Carefully disconnect any cables attached to the battery, making note of their placement for reassembly. Remove the screws holding the battery in place, being cautious not to apply too much force. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, gently lift out the old battery and replace it with your new one, ensuring it fits snugly. Reattach the screws and reconnect any cables you removed earlier. Before closing the back panel, it's wise to power on the laptop to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If it powers on and operates without being plugged in, you're ready to proceed. Carefully snap the back panel back into place and reinsert the screws to secure it. Tighten them evenly to avoid warping the panel. To prevent this issue from reoccurring, ensure you use your laptop regularly on battery power and avoid leaving it plugged in all the time, as this can degrade battery health over time. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.